Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the world. Welcome and thank you for joining me on this session today. Do not forget to press the like button and also subscribe my channel and do press the bell button. So for the session of today, come.
Rains bring down the hot temperatures and the body begins to demand a high calorie, spicy and nutritious food. And one such dish that I made for my guests in the hotel is crispy, spicy stuffed bhaturas, which is nothing but West Indies' favorite Aaloo Pie, which I have remade in Indian flavors as crispy, spicy bhaturas. But before I tell you the recipe, Om Namo Shri Ganeshaya Namah. Wash away our misleading assumptions and presumptions. Bless us with sharp sight, clear hearing and keen curiosity, true knowledge, deep wisdom and far-sighted vision. And now for the recipe. Now take potatoes, 6 medium size or say about 400 grams, and now to boil the potatoes. First, aag lagao. Now add the water and add the potatoes. Any natural salt, turmeric and cap shut and boil for 12 minutes or so. Now, in the meantime, all-purpose flour, that is 250 grams, and semolina. And when done, carom seeds, any natural salt as per as your taste, peanut oil or any oil of your taste. Now to proof the yeast, take full tone milk, heat the milk gently till about 35 to 45 degrees centigrade or just warm enough, and add sugar and dry yeast and mix well and set aside for about 10 to 15 minutes to proof well. In the meantime, let's come back to our mix. Now add baking powder and yeast, which should be well proofed by now. When done, add water from any natural source and knead the mix into a soft dough. Cover and set aside in a warm place to rise. Now, in the meantime, our potatoes are boiled. Allow the steam to escape on its own. Do not force the cooker to open. Peel the potatoes. Once done, grate or mash the potatoes. You can use a mandolin or a grater or even a chef knife. Once done, and now to add a very special masala that is endorsed in the oven, which is a potato paste enhancing masala, or you can also add any garam masala, and turmeric powder, coriander powder, red chili powder, cumin powder, any natural salt, dried fenugreek leaves or kasuri methi, and mango powder. Once done, mix well. And when done, this is what it should look like. Now taste to add correction if required, if any. Shape the potato mix into equal sized balls and cut and shape the dough into equal sized balls too. Once done, add enough peanut oil to deep fry our bread in. Oil the surface and place a ball of dough. And roll and flatten the dough ball evenly thin on all the sides. Place a ball of potato mix and pull up the dough sheet and cover the potato mix ball. Again roll the dough ball evenly on all the sides. Now gently pick up and place it carefully into the hot oil. Deep fry the aaloo pie or stuffed bhaturas on both the sides equally till they are golden brown and well crisp and well cooked. There you are. Drain the excess oil of the aaloo pie or the stuffed bhaturas and they're beautiful, isn't it? And when all are fried, but wait, let me cut one and show you what it looks like. There you are. They're ready to be consumed. Beautiful, isn't it? They're ready to be consumed. Look at that. Now, accompany the aaloo pie or spicy crispy stuffed bhaturas with dips or sauces and tea or coffee, and consume the aaloo pie or stuffed bhaturas and do invite all your known and your enemies too.
So friends, do try it and do treat all your near and dear, and above all, your enemies too. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time. And as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy and eat healthy.